Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this crypto wallet platform, which is Edge Wallet. So to get started with a quick review and a breakdown about this crypto wallet, Edge Wallet is a user-friendly, mobile-only crypto wallet design for both beginners and advanced users. It offers strong security with client-side encryption, two-factor authentication, and simple login with username and password instead of seed phrase. It supports multiple cryptocurrency. It also includes built-in exchanges and allows you to sell, buy, and spend crypto all within the app. On the downside, Hedge has no desktop version and doesn't support hardware wallet, which may limit more advanced users. Some users have also reported high swap fee and occasional app bugs. In 2025, Hedge is a solid choice if you want a secure, easy-to-use mobile wallet just to compare fee and stay alert for app update. And that's it.